What's up, y'all? It is Jasmine Cookie Daniels back, and I am here with my top 5 apps that I use to run my business and that you can use that are going to help you reach your goals, because you need to be organized and you need to have the type of apps that are going to help you save time, that are going to help you do what you need to do, and this, that, and the third. I love all 5 of those apps. I use all 5 of those apps daily in my social media. They help me with time, speed, getting my message out, and making my money. So if you want to make money in your business, you don't want to get caught up in your social media all day, you want apps that are free or they just cost a little bit per month to really put you where you need to be, you need to rock with all of them. All right, so coming in at number 1 is CapCut. CapCut is an editing software app that you can use to make quick and easy videos for your business or for your personal self. CapCut has thousands of templates. They got stuff to show reviews, whatever you need to do. If you see all of those memes that be like going viral and stuff on the internet, and you be wondering like how people be getting a hold of them videos. So CapCut is the place to go to do quick edit videos, do templates, to do whether you want to show testimonials or you want to show maybe a tour of your business or you want to show clips of like customer experiences. CapCut is the place to go. I really like it. I try to get on there for, like I said, the memes, like the ones that's popping at the moment, because it's just a quick insert. And then I like to find a lot of the templates that take video and picture, so I can kind of show like a video experience. Like for me, I own a dance studio, so I may want to show like a picture of me and the customer, and then I want to go into the clip of the video. Now you can do all of these things on other apps and everything like that, but CapCut really works fast, seamless. They don't tend to reduce the quality of my videos as bad as some other apps. When you download them, they still stay pretty good. So let me tell you the trick to download a video on CapCut without having the CapCut logo and without having to put it on TikTok. So when you are downloading something on CapCut, it says to download with CapCut logo or upload to TikTok. So if you're sitting there like, well, I want the video, but I don't want the logo, and I want the video, and I didn't want to put this on TikTok, I want to put this on Instagram. Hit the button to upload to TikTok anyway. You're gonna go to the TikTok screen, and then when you're on there, just hit the download button out of TikTok, because TikTok no longer shows their logo on your video if you download it before you post it. So I'll jump in really quick, and I'm gonna put my screen up to the camera. If I upload this video, y'all see this arrow right here? If you hit that arrow before you post it, the TikTok video will save to your phone without a TikTok logo. So again, if you're in CapCut, hit upload to TikTok, then it's gonna show on that screen, hit the download button. Now you have the video out of CapCut with nobody's logo on it, all right? So download CapCut so you can start making fast and trendy videos for your business. All right, so my favorite app, and I don't want to be on here 45 minutes talking about it, is Canva. Canva has templates for flyers. Canva has templates for logos. Canva has templates for highlights on your Instagram. Canva has templates for everything: birthday cards, invitations, media kits, PR kits, resumes, whatever you need, go to Canva. They have 2 versions. I have the paid version. I like a lot of the things that come with that paid version. You can remove backgrounds on Canva. So if you have a picture, you want to take your body only and not the background. You know, you see somebody's flyer and it's their body only, then everything else is going on the back. You could do all of that in Canva. You can do videos in Canva. You could record, screen record in Canva. You could turn up in Canva, okay? So I challenge you to download the app. And Canva is my favorite on the computer. I love the app, don't get me wrong, especially when I'm in the on the go. But Canva on the computer is a whole nother experience. So if you do have the app and you've never experienced it on your laptop, pull that thing up on your laptop, because it's really gonna give you an entirely different experience. So coming in at a hot number 2 is Canva. And these aren't in any order, because if they were, Canva would have been number 1. All right, so let's move on to number 3. Okay, y'all, so we are jumping into number 3. Number 3 is Otter, and I recently got put on to Otter. So it is an app where you can talk and then it transcribes what you said into text. So, I mean, it don't get no better than that, because think about your Instagram captions. Think about your answers, you know, maybe for a grant application before you need to, you know, edit and everything like that. You may want to use that to write a book or something like that. I ain't gonna go deep, but because we're talking about social media, I use Otter to talk my Instagram captions in, then I take them from there, copy, paste, and then I put them into Instagram, and then I edit them there, so I can save a lot of typing time. My next favorite app is InShot. InShot. InShot is what I use to lay music over my videos. It is what I use to crop things into a certain size. And I know what you think, oh, well, I can lay music over my video on Instagram. Yeah, but when you lay music over a video on Instagram, if you hit save, it's not taking the music with it. So if you want, just say you was doing a little cute little video for, you know, your person or something like that, you want to lay a song over it, you could do that in InShot. So you can do effects in InShot, you could do transitions in InShot. InShot has so many different templates, transitions, effects that are not in CapCut, that are not in Instagram. So you should download InShot and you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. Like, coming in at number 5 is the Captions app. I love the Captions app. The Captions app is going to do exactly that. Put captions on your videos. They have about 30 different styles of caption types that can pop up on your screen. The way it pops up, the way it transitions and everything like that. You could choose the color of the letters. The Captions app also does a lot of AI features. So when you're talking, if you say certain words, they can make the pictures pop up on the screen. They even have AI eye contact. So just say you were reading a teleprompter or something like above or under your screen, they'll make your eyes lock back to looking at the camera. And you wasn't even looking at the camera. Crazy, right? So I have the Captions app and I love it. And if you've been seeing people and they have words on their video and it's not the words that you can get from the captions in Instagram, then you definitely like the Captions app. So let's go back over them. So we have CapCut, Canva, InShot, Otter, and the Captions app. I love all 5 of those apps. I use all 5 of those apps daily in my social media. They help me with time, speed, getting my message out, and making my money. So if you want to make money in your business, you don't want to get caught up in your social media all day, you want apps that are free or they just cost a little bit per month to really put you where you need to be, you need to rock with all of those apps.